Beep.
Man, you got hit over there, yo?
Yeah.
Oh,
That
that sucks.
it was painful.
Are we going? We're just staring at each
Oh,
other.
it was really painful.
What if that's not Jarrett?
It's Jarrett.
Oh, I think he's telling...
Go back? Let's go back more.
Now he tells us, like, what the fuck?
He's probably talking to his team.
No.
I saw someone was going heading in the direction of the bunker.
Bro, my toe still hurts from the other day.
The other day, what happened?
He like picked me up and dropped me.
Come on, yo. What you doing? Jarrett, do that.
This is good. Alright, we're good here.
Yeah. There used to be a... Remember that sweatshirt that was hanging there once?
Oh, we thought it was a person. We thought it was a decoy or something.
No, not even that, but like we'd always just like shoot it for no reason.
You should probably like come for a trail too. Some kind of trail, like maybe here somewhere.
Is that him? Is that Jared? Still Jared?
Yeah, Jarrett's still sitting there. I don't know why. What?
Can you see him up close with this scope?
If I zoom in, yeah, I can see him clearly. Zoom in all the way.
You can see what he's trying to say.
Okay.
What do you say?
I don't know, but Rob just waved us in.
Oh, Jarrett's not there anymore, so they're starting that season.
Let's do it. This shit just got really
I know, but we got it.
What the fuck is in my pocket? Oh, that's a stick. Ugh. Oh yeah, here they come. I see Jarrett, Eric and Brandon all on that path. That went nowhere. Don't waste it, you don't have that many shots, man.
What?
I said don't waste it, you don't have that many shots.
Gotta make sure you don't have to.
Let's just go. Let's just go and get it over with.
Get out.
Let's just go get my ass railed.
Yeah, they're all walking that way.
I'll walk that way, alright. I know what I'm gonna do then. I'm gonna go up this path here to the left. And then double back. Yeah, I see him. I know, I see him. Eric's gonna be watching this way. Surge! Surge! Stay down, stay down, stay down, stay down. Huh?
Stay away from me.
I know.
Get the fuck out. I shot him like 6 times.
Yo, I almost fucking dodged that, yo.
I know, you were like standing up.
I didn't even know you were there, though.
Dude,
You were in the strap.
really? I
Yeah.
thought I got you in the ass. Where did I hit you, Brandon? Did I hit you in the ass?
No, you hit me. Oh, really? On the cheek.
Oh, okay, then that was you. Yeah, that was because I was close.
Right after I shot Suarez about 10 times. I told him not even bothering with Suarez.
Because he's just
Suarez never called out.
he's eating bullets, right? Is he out?
I think Roger's there. Yo, I was fucking someone goes, oh, Spencer's over there.
That was Eric.
And
I
then
saw
as
that.
soon as
I thought he said, "Where's Spencer?"
Yo, so then I started shooting, and as soon as I started running, Sergio got up and run. I was like, fuck, that's not Spencer.
I saw him like put his hand on his cheek. I shot him in the head. He was running.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm surprised you guys didn't fucking see me. I was literally walking down the path, not even caring.
Spencer, where'd you get out?
Jarrett and Brandon.
You got both of them?
Yeah, they were like,
He was like right behind.
dude, it was like, it was from here to my orange. It was from here to my.
I stopped moving because Eric wouldn't even move from Jarrett, and I couldn't shoot you guys.
It was one or the other.
I wasn't shooting because I didn't want to hit him. Eric was literally.
What does that have to do with Brandon hitting you?
I said stop.
Brandon was already out. He wasn't shooting at you then.
What?
Brandon said he got you before.
He never hit me. He hit me once in the face when we had our battle. He got me one in the face, Max.
Yo, Eric, don't forget your M14 mag.
Like episode of Family Guy?
Yeah, turn off the camera.
Wait,
Huh?
no.
Oh shit.
No.